In the next exercise, I want to create a neon effect for these two layers. I create a new layer and then I double click on it. I go to other glow and by red neon color I click to red. My opacity is 50. We don't have any noise. My mode is linear dodge and my technique is softer. So spread is 10 and my size is 40. My contour is linear and range is 50. We don't have any jitter. So then click OK. My brush color is white, so I need to a little zoom for this t-shirt. So I brush this t-shirt. I increase a little smoothing. For example, 45 is okay. Then I brush it. I want to slowly brush it. Very good. And the Neymar's t-shirt. I brush it. And then. Okay, very good. So I want to create some line about there and there for 3D one. Very good. So this neon color is red and I want to create a neon with green and blue one. For example, for this short I need to a blue neon and I create a new layer, then double click on it, go to the other glow and set my color to, for example, blue. Yeah, like this, a dark blue, then click OK and my setting is set. Don't change it and it's okay. And if you want, you can increase your shadow. I can increase my spread to 20, for example, and for example increase my opacity. After that, click OK. Yeah, I'm drawing around the short. Very good. It's kind of painting, but not in paper. It's a painting in a nice program. Its name's Photoshop. Very good, and some lines there. Very good. After that, I need to a little green one, so I create a new layer, double click on my layer. I'm going to outer glow and create a green color. Okay, then click OK, and other setting is okay. Just with a bigger brush size, I brush some of them. It's kind of light, I think so. Okay, it's good. I double clicked my hand tool, I clicked my brush tool, and I brushed some part of socks. It's a little kind of paint and very interesting and attractive.